Hey everybody, today is December 16th, 2020. Hey, so we're just going to be building on, today's video is going to be very short. We're just going to be building on to what we did yesterday, okay? Some of you may have questions. So basically you should have done this. So our responses, I'm going to zoom in on this. Okay, so in my opinion, you guys should have put your own opinion right here. Decade of Drought by Ann Capici is more informative, or the other one, because it describes droughts around the world and includes photographs that show some of the effects of drought. Okay, the drought resulted in shrinking reservoirs and groundwater supplies. Okay, so they used destructive wildfires are common during droughts in the southwest. That's in the Decade of Drought. In eastern Africa, widespread crop failure caused a famine that killed between 50,000 and 250,000 people. That's also in Decade of Drought. Okay, so over here in what the text analysis, you compare, like, what does this tell you? What does this evidence tell you? So they say hot, dry conditions and lack of rain make huge wildfires a real danger in the U.S. Southwest. Okay, that's what it tells us, right? Over here, tens of thousands of people starved to death during a drought in eastern Africa. That's what it tells us, right? So this is just you putting it into your own words. Okay, then you have to have a conclusion. In conclusion, I think that Decade of Drought is the more informative text about drought because it includes photographs and a map that show the range and effects of drought. Okay, so you are going to go to a Word document. Okay, you're going to write just a paragraph, guys. All it has to be is one paragraph, probably like 4 to 5 sentences. Okay, so 4 to 5 sentences. You should start it just like this. In my opinion, blank, okay, is more informative about droughts than drought report. Okay, so you have to flip-flop this. So if you said that the other one, in my opinion, drought report is more informative about droughts than Decade of Drought, you just have to decide which one, where these go, because it blank, whatever you put, that will be your first sentence. Okay, then you will put your own 2 sentences here, okay, to back up your point. Then you will have a conclusion. So that tells me you will have 4 sentences in your paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So 4 paragraphs, or 4 sentences, not in your paragraph, 4 sentences. Okay. I'll have a link for you to turn that in. It will be called argument paragraph, drought argument paragraph. Okay. So you're just going to go to a Word document. You'll turn it in as a file. Okay. Easy enough. Should be super easy today. Get it written, get it turned in, and we will go from there. No do now. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.